So I just want to take this moment to brag on somebody that I know. Tiffany, she's a branding strategist, photographer here locally in the area. I got to know her from a marketing coach. She has done my photography. She's captured a lot of my speaking engagements and headshots and things like that. And she actually brought me on board to help a company that she's working with on their recruiting, specifically helping with creating and setting up their recruiting systems and strategies to help with, their hiring managers and helping have a seamless recruiting and onboarding process. So one of the things she's working on, though, that I wanted to brag about is this right here. It's a company calendar. And just look at those photos right there. They're highlighting the production crew, the welders specifically. We're focused on hiring a welder right now at Riggins Company here in Hampton Roads, Virginia. And look at what Tiffany put together. Now, she specializes in photography right in the field to really highlight the personalities, the people involved in the products that are going out the door to customers. So here's Tiffany. And, she says that the main reason that she put together this gallery is so that the viewer can see the person behind the product, to see their hard work and precision and dedication to their craft. And I thought that was really cool. One, because, yeah, sure, this is a great recruiting tool, right? And then she's doing a lot of other stuff, obviously, online, social media, advertising, and things like that. But if I were working at a company like Riggins, I would take pride in someone doing something like this for me or for just my department, my team, to be recognized for the hard work. I mean, just look at these faces. Look at that work environment. These people typically go unnoticed, unappreciated. And so I think it's really cool to highlight and showcase their hard work, their dedication, and the personalities in the company. And so I thought that was pretty cool. I wanted to brag about her and brag about Riggins and what they're doing. I think it's great, and they've got a lot more to come. So obviously, if you're even interested or know someone that might be interested in the welding position, you can go to rigginscompany.com and you can check out their careers page for the job listings. So check it out.